I got presents from my niece. The Shiba Inu stickers. And
I think she wants to come out.
3 colors Shiba.
Thank you.
That's small ones, but do you want to have the black Shiba?
Oh yeah, sure. Everything okay with Kaki? Oh.
Yeah. Nanny.
Tasty speaker.
Ah,
Tasty speaker.
またか。あ、ほら。
Fish sticker.
何してんの？マイク狙ってんの？
怖かった。Afraid of you, Kaki.
カキ。怒ったんだ。比較的。
Aika is coming to play at our place for a few hours. I think he's lonely.
Yeah? Come on.
Yeah.
But we saw Aika last week or something. But Aika doesn't like Kaki. Or the don't come to me.
No, he went to their place for 2 hours, but Aika is very protective.
Yeah,
So,
in the house it's
no,
difficult.
he's not welcome. But then we came back to our place. Aika can do everything, anything. He doesn't care.
Really?
Really, he's really chill. And also with Beppy.
ああいう柴犬取ったおかしいよ。柴そんなことない。
Korean Shiba.
I don't think Kaki will allow
other dog.
Yeah, but Toro only put one foot and she's so angry.
But it's a male thing, I think. Female dog, Beppy can play with us. It's no problem.
こっちゃん何探してんの？
Can you drive?
I have driving license. It doesn't mean I drive in Hokkaido. Because it's wider road and less people, less car, and we drive left.
In Japan.
So in Hokkaido, I have to. So I don't want to make stuff sense, and I can't park here.
No, that's the issue for me too.
So Kaki will go to the convention club.
Yeah.
Because interested in the Toro's dog sitter, but he might bite. So it's like Honda Central, they are professional and
they are strict.
They have to be able to control him. If he bites them, I don't think they don't blame. It's their fault.
They're bored.
They're bored. また文句言ってんの？遊べばyou can playよ。spelenか。文句言ってないでさ。じゃあトークしてくる？
Now we go home. Have a nice walk.
I will post the stickers. Yeah. じゃあね。バイバイカキ。バイバイカキじゃなかった。バイバイトロ。カキバイバイじゃない。アイカ。ごめん、トイレしたかったね。ごめん。そうだね。